Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Magento 2 bulk order processing plugin. And using this particular plugin, the store admin doesn't have to visit each order page and process them individually. So the admin can just process the orders in bulk in just a few clicks and can save hours. The admin can create invoices, generate shipments, add tracking numbers, change order status for multiple orders all at once as required. Also, this particular plugin will simplify the order processing task by bulk order processing actions. So let's get ahead and let's see how this particular plugin works, and we'll be showing you how the bulk order management can be done, how the mass actions can be taken, how we can create and apply the various combination of actions, and apart from that we also show you how to view the detailed order information as well. So now let's go to the admin backend panel and let's see what different options and features are there for this particular plugin. That's the Magento 2 bulk order processing plugin by Webkul. So for that, I'll just tap here on the live demo link. So I've added the user guide, the live demo, as well as the store link within the description below for this particular plugin. So for much better understanding, you can check those links as well. Apart from that, you can also get back to us anytime at support@webkul.com, or you can also reach out to us using the webkul.us.com by creating a ticket there for your requirements. So now let's go to the admin backend panel, and then we'll be logging into the admin account panel. And before login, you can also see the main features here for the bulk order plugin itself. Like it's a quick way of for the bulk order processing, and that too in a single click. You can create invoices for multiple orders at the same time. Apart from that, you can add tracking numbers for every order. You can generate shipments, and you can also set the order statuses to complete after you've generated the shipments. You can also choose to change the bulk order status to pending processing or complete as per your requirement. And you can also view the detailed order informations with the order details as well, and much more. So now let's go to the admin backend panel, and I'll be entering my username and password for my Magento 2 based web store, and I'll tap the sign in button thereafter. After you have successfully installed this particular plugin, that's the Magento 2 bulk order processing plugin, on the side panel here for the admin, we'll be able to see the bulk order management option. So here we have the bulk orders, as you can see here, and under that we have the bulk orders management. So let's open that in another window and let's see what different options are there for the same. So basically under this the admin would be navigated to the bulk order list page, and from here the admin can see the complete list of orders that have been placed within his Magento 2 based web store. So here you can see that we on the Webkul's bulk orders section. On the top right hand corner, you can see we have a process orders button, and we have a complete list of orders that have been placed along with the IDs or the order IDs here, the customer email, their name, and here you can see that we have three different columns here. One is for the invoice, shipment, and the order status. So for example, if you want to change the order status of the order number 16 that we have here, then you can check this particular option. Basically the first option that we see is to make a bulk change. All right, so that would automatically select all of these. Same is the case with this shipment and the invoice. Now if you want to do this individually as well, like in a group of 2 or 3, how we can do that? So for that, we'll just individually choose those orders, and similarly for the shipments as well and the invoice as well. And here basically in this field, the admin needs to enter the shipping or what we say as the tracking number basically. So I'll just enter a random number for the time being, and for this one as well. And now thereafter I'll just tap here on the process orders button, and here you can see that the selected orders invoice has been created. They have been shipped up, and the status for the orders has also changed, and the orders are the order number 16 and the 14, this one and this one. So now you can, under the invoice, you can see that for these orders, this one and this one, the invoice has been created, the shipment has been created, and right now the order status is complete for them. So that I showed you right now was how we can make so we showed you how to generate the invoice, shipment, and the order status. Same can be done for individual orders as well. And if you wanted to do in a bulk, you can choose all of the orders by tapping here on the checkbox. You can check this option for the order status, and all of the statuses can then be changed there. And for each individual order, you can set it as hold or pending depending upon the requirement, and then you can tap the proceed orders button to proceed to change the order status. And similarly, you can add the shipments as well for the orders by choosing the order first and then entering the shipment number. For example, you can see that the order number 26 and 25, we have changed the order status here, and the same would then be visible under the Magento's default invoice default order status as well. So let me show you that as well. So you can see that we have changed the status for the order number 26 and 25 to processing and complete. And now let's go to the Magento default order list. So you can see here we have the order number 25 and 26, and the status right now is processing and complete. So that's how the store admin can change the status of the orders in bulk as well, or individually as well, from this particular section that we have. And for that, you just need to navigate through the bulk orders, and then under the bulk orders management, as we've already shown you. And similarly, the process goes for the invoices as well, and then the shipments as well. And the same order status is then reflected under the customer's account for the respective orders. So here we have the two orders, order 25 and 26. You can see that one is complete, the other one is in the processing status right now. And now in this other example here, you can see that we are under the Whipple bulk orders section again. And if you see here, for the orders number 13, 14, and 15, I have selected to generate the invoice in bulk for these three orders that we have. So under the invoice column, I have checked all the three orders here, and thereafter I'll be tapping here on the process orders button, and the invoices of the selected orders have been generated, as you can see right now. So it's under the invoice column, you can see invoiced, invoice for the order number 13, 14, and 15. Now the same status of the invoice is also updated within the default invoices there within the Magento 2 web store backend panel. So let me show you that as well. So here you can see that for the order number and 13 and 14, the status right now is paid because the invoice has been generated. And the same is for the customers end as well. Now the customers can see the particular invoice for their order, and they can see that and they can also now download or print their invoice as per their own requirement there. Now let's check the example for the shipment. So here you can see that we have order number 13, 14, and 15, and we have checked the check boxes here for these three orders for which we want to create the shipment. So we'll be entering the tracking number here for the particular shipments, and thereafter we'll be tapping on the proceed orders button at the top right hand corner, as you can see. And after that, the shipments of the selected orders would be generated. So here we have 13, 14, 15 order number, and we can see under the shipment color right now it's shipped, shipped, and shipped. And under the order status right now, you can see that it's showing as complete, complete, complete. Now within the default shipment section here for the Magento 2 store, for that you just need to navigate through the sales and then the orders there. So here also you can see that we have the order number 13, 14, and 15, And here you can see that the shipments have been generated for these three orders as well. We had done this under the bulk orders section, but in the default system as well, these three shipments are being visible here to the web store admin. And on the customer front as well, the customers can see their order shipments as well, as you can see here. And this is for the order number 15, as you can see here at the top, it's order number 15. Also, the Magento 2 web store owner would be able to make what we say as the combination of actions. And for that, for example, if you choose the shipment and the order status at the same time, and you enter the tracking number and set the order status as required, and then tap here on the proceed, then you tap this particular tab that we see, that's the process orders tab. Then you can see that the one shipment for the order number 16 would be generated, and the status for the order would also be changed as per the selection that the admin had set it as. So that was much about the Magento 2 bulk order processing plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how it works by allowing the web store owner to create the invoices, shipments, and change the status of the orders in bulk. How easy is it to use, and how then the customers can find those invoices and shipments at the end as well. And the same details are then visible for the respective orders within the default sets, like the default invoice section, shipments, and the order statuses for the Magento 2 store. And if you still have any questions, queries, or suggestions regarding this particular plugin, then you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webcool.uedesk.com. Thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.